Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to post a video on Instagram. Now the new version of Instagram videos are called Reels. They are short form videos. Now other than short form videos, you can also upload in long form content. So to do that, you just tap on the plus on the bottom of the screen, or you could also have the plus on the top right. Tap on the plus and just choose the video that you want to upload. Once you select the video, you just tap on the arrow on the top right and the video will be displayed like so. Now this is only a short video. If it's a long video for you, it's going to take a couple of seconds to load. Now in the video you can add in a couple of things such as music. If you tap on this music icon on the top, you'll be able to choose from all of the music that is available on Instagram. The way that you add it is just to tap on it and tap on done, and that music will be added to your video. Now other than music, you can also add in text, you can add in stickers. After that is done, you can just tap on next on the bottom right, and from here you can also add in captions and tag people, and then you just tap on share on the bottom right. After the video has been completed uploading, you can head back to your profile and refresh your page, and you'll be able to see that your video has been now posted.